Hello stalkers, welcome back. I hope you all are enjoying the upside momentum in the markets, provided if you are selecting your stocks carefully, as when the market is trending up, not all the stocks are moving, very selective stocks are performing. Let's start analyzing with DFM market index. Do watch it till the end, it will help you to understand the overall market scenario as well as the stock that I will recommend you. Looking at today's price action, if you have seen my earlier video, right into this zone I had mentioned I am expecting a correction, whether directly from here or it may go up, hit the resistance and come down. So possibly we are seeing the second scenario. It's trying to break out this zone, that is 5393. In yesterday's session we saw a failure attempt. Today market has printed an indecisive candle again for the second time. This was the yesterday's candle, this is today's candle. We are not seeing any decisive candle. There are very high chances from here we may see a retest of support zones, maybe 5279, 5226, or it can even come down for a deeper correction till about 5064 points. We never know that. As the market will unfold its patterns, I will definitely keep updating. Another scenario can be tomorrow it can try to hit the resistance, try to break out, get rejected and then come down. But overall, looking at the last two candles, clearly we can see signs of weakness. So I'm expecting a small correction that will be healthy for the market. Not to forget, we are seeing a strong rally from 4640 points. We did not see any definitive correction. Market just went up with small pauses on the way up. Market did not retrace, or we did not see a correction where we can confidently say that yes, the correction was done on the way up and we can expect more upside momentum. So this is still looking good. A correction phase is expected and then it will resume its uptrend. And then most likely we will break out 5393. This is scenario number 1 where I am expecting a correction. Other scenario is, yes, it may break out 5393. Previously this was the zone where market started to go aggressively to the downside. If at all we can see a solid break to the upside, then I would like to see a retest. Let me delete everything. If at all tomorrow it prints a solid green candle like this, in this case I would like to see how it's coming back, if it is retesting this zone, the same zone and bouncing up, or it's breaking down again. If it breaks down again, then this would be a failure, a breakout failure. However, if at all it comes down and bounces up successfully, in this scenario we can say the breakout was genuine, and most likely from here then we will plan 5565, that is next resistance. Overall, no doubt DFM is performing very well, it's going up. A small pullback will be healthier. Similarly, ADX has also shown some sign of weakness right near the resistance, that is 9653. In my previous video I had mentioned right into this zone I am expecting a correction. May it be directly from here or it can go up, hit the resistance and come down. Something very important here is, check this out, this was the zone, that is 9653. Market came down aggressively to the downside. It's going through a recovery phase right from this zone, that is around 8774. On the way up, again the same scenario, we did not see any correction. Check this out, it went up aggressively, it took a pause, went sideways for about a week and then a continuation to the upside. What I'm saying is we need a pullback, at least 2 to 3% of this leg to the upside, so that we can say correction is done after this move up and now we are targeting more upside momentum. So in case if ADX market index wants to come down, then we have immediate support at 9563, which may not hold. We are looking for a deeper correction till about 9352 to 9404 points, that is identified as next support. Whereas if at all selling pressure is aggressive, then it can even hit 9160. Not to forget that tomorrow is Fed's decision on interest day, so let's see how the overall international markets react to their decision. If at all it's positive, if at all Fed is reducing the rates, then definitely money will flow into the markets and we may see more upside momentum in crypto, forex and yes, even in stocks. Next area of resistance, if at all it does not want to come down, then we are looking at 9653 to 9688 points. This is the channel that I'm looking at in case ADX market index wants to go higher. Again the same scenario like DFM, if at all it prints a solid green candle, then I would like to see a retest of any of these support zones and a nice bounce to confirm that this breakout that it made is genuine and it can sustain. Otherwise, it shouldn't be such that it goes up, very next day it comes down. This would be a fake move to the upside. It would be a bull trap scenario. Hopefully that does not happen. So the best scenario again, either it goes sideways, establishes a base like this, or comes down for a correction, and then we see a momentum to the upside. Overall, ADX market is going through a recovery phase after this drop. It has not yet broken the high that it made in February 2025. One of the stock that is looking very good is Fertiglobe. Many other stocks also performed very well, but this is one of the stock that I am stalking very closely. I had recommended this stock in my members video as well. Yesterday it printed a indecisive candle right into this demand zone that is between 2.30 and 2.33. Today it opened with a gap down. This is a sign of weakness. Although it has survived, it has managed to close green. Candle is right into the support zone. So this is looking promising. Clearly buyers are defending this zone. We can plan our entries in this stock. Yes, let me remind you that Fertiglobe will soon release its financials. If at all they are positive and above expectations, then most likely we will see a big momentum to the upside. It will break 2.40, that is immediate resistance. If at all we check the historical data, or if we go a little behind right in the month of January and February, this is the place where buyers and sellers were fighting. We saw many indecisive candles. After this, finally sellers won and they took control of price. It came down till about 1.94 and from here it's recovering. After this nice curvy round formation, it's trying to go up again and hit 2.40. If at all you are planning for entries here, then this area should be your first target where you can offload some of your quantities. I know the target is very small, but this is resistance, so you may plan for quick entry and exit and wait for the results. If at all financial results are good, then expect a nice upside momentum. In that scenario, we have resistance at 2.49 to 2.53 area. We can get a good target and a smaller stop loss. So plan of action should be, if at all tomorrow it opens flat or with a gap up, we can take small entries and plan our stop loss right below this candle at 2.26. First target at 2.40, and then as I mentioned, this should be our next area of resistance. Fertiglobe overall is still in a downtrend. We are not yet seeing upside momentum or uptrend. This is just a early bird entry, or this is just a price action that's showing reversal is coming soon. Still, the trend is to the downside, but this is the place where we can take some advantage for early bird entry and benefit out of the momentum trade. So guys, this was the quick update for tomorrow. For more detailed analysis with my stock recommendations, you may join my YouTube membership. Also, link is provided in the description box below. If this video was helpful, then do not forget to show your support. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.